Hello, my name's Steve Trista and I run a company called Trista Media International Limited, and I've just done the Check-in Strategy Journal Workshop. It's only a half day and oh my goodness me, my head is expanded, maybe exploding point, and it was a really important workshop. I was at a point, and I still am doing this right now, where I hadn't had or got a load of clarity about where I want to take my business and even my life as it comes to it, because this really makes you look hard at your business and your personal life, and obviously they impact each other, but this shines a light on everything, and I now am giving myself permission to focus on strategy properly for the first time. And I've been running my own business for say 6 years, and it does not come to me naturally. There's times where I'm okay at it, there's times where I'm utterly shit at it. Delivering, I'm a public speaking coach, so delivery I'm great on, but the other stuff, not so much. But this, I feel like I now have a framework and a way to support what I'm doing moving forward, and with the vision, the mission, all that other stuff, I can now start to give myself I tell you what, the biggest thing is giving myself time to think about this stuff. I've been so caught up in the doing that actually taking time out for me today is the biggest gift. I highly recommend this workshop. Get your ass there.